Hello guys. Welcome back to my channel, Writing Practices. Today, we are going to learn how to write a contract termination letter. What is a contract termination letter? A contract termination letter is a formal business notice sent from one firm to another intending to end a contract-based arrangement. Here, Writing Practices will show you how to write a contract termination letter step by step. Check this out. First of all, you must write your personal information. You can make it as a header of the letter just like in this video. Or just simply write it on the left side. So, you must write your full name. Under it, write your 3 contact information. The first one is your home address. When you write the address, it is best to write the number, street name, city, state, and zip code. And then, the second contact is phone number. If there is a regional code, write the code too. And write your email address. You can also add other contact information, but it is optional or even unnecessary. After that, write the information about the recipient. Yes, you must write your full name. Under it, write the occupation in the company or just straight mention the company name. And then, write the address of the company. Once again, when you write the address, don't forget to mention the number, street name, city, state and zip code. And now, you can open the letter with salutation like Dear Mr. or Mrs. or Ms., followed by the last name of the recipient. In the first paragraph, state clearly and straightforwardly that you or your company wants to terminate the contract. When you deliver this message, you must mention the names of both companies which are parts of the contracts. And mention which contract it is by writing the date of the contract getting signed by all parties. In this example, Stacy Albert terminates the contract with cleaning services agreement that was executed on September 1, 2021. And after clearly mentioning the termination, you can tell the reason why you are writing this letter. Tell the recipient that this is a part of compliance to the required period stated in the contract agreement. So, you don't violate any rules here. In the second paragraph, state how grateful and appreciate the business relationship between your company and the recipient's company. And since you terminate the contract, instead of renewing, it would be better to explain the reason generally. In this example, the reason of the termination of the contract is because of the unfortunate circumstances of financial hardships. You can end it there without mentioning what kind of hardships they are. And state clearly that you want to cease business transactions with the recipient's company. To make it sound more polite, you can tell the recipient that you and company tried your best to prevent this to happen. And then, convince the recipient how the circumstances are unavoidable and prompted to terminate the contract. In the third paragraph, write your hope for another partnership in the future. You can say something like they will be open for such engagement when you have another opportunity to open another agreement with the recipient. In the last paragraph, welcome the recipient to contact you in case they have queries, concerns, or additional information about this matter. And you can give your contact information like phone number or email address or so on. Finally, you can close the letter with sincerely. Under it, add your signature. And write your full name. So, that's how you write a contract termination letter step by step. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and see you soon.